Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you guys a walk around and some sound of my new WR450F. It's just in the garage. I'll open that up now, get it out. Here's my other baby. So we'll get this one out today and walk around it. I'll show you guys. Okay, so that's a brand new 2021 Yamaha WR450. Might be a little bit muddy from my riding yesterday. Nice exhaust pipe coming around there. Metzeler tires. XL rim. Beautiful blue rims. The blue shock in there. Nice stock exhaust. Some nice welding in there. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the dash. It's only a tiny one. Let's give it a crack. Sounds pretty good. And she goes. I've only done 164 k's. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.